Hi, welcome to Electronic House. We'd like to share with you a couple 92mm PCI fan trays we make here in the shop. One designed for kind of a low noise application, the other one designed for a high flow application. Usually when you're assembling a box, you have no idea how much flow you need to get rid of the heat, but you know how much noise you can stand. These are designed so that you can kind of meet that medium point. It gives you a high flow device, but then gives you the ability to knock down the speed to get to the cooling point you need, or the noise limit that you can stand. Arrange my notes here. So we're demonstrating two 92mm fan trays. This is the low flow unit. Each one has a panel to go into the expansion bay portion of the backplane. It has two fans, 92mm fans. It has a controller, a 12 volt to 5 volt DC controller, and then a 3-pin motherboard fan connector. If you don't have, or there's not enough juice to run the fans, we also sell an adapter to plug that into the AT bus, from which you can pull the 12 volts. So the low speed fans, let's see if we can hear it. But that's the high speed there. At high speed, the low noise option, the stock number you should see on the screen, displayed on the screen, delivers about 36 CFM, a good amount of air to kick around in that portion of the box, and pulls about 0.2 amps, 200 milliamps. Low speed, I don't think the camera mic will pick that up. Low speed, it pulls about 90 milliamps, 0.09 amps, and delivers about 18 CFM. Very low flow. So if you're overclocking, you're looking for something that you're where cooling is much more important than noise. This is not the option you need. You need something that's much more has a lot more muscle, which is this. Okay, this is another 92mm fan tray designed for high flow. I'll tell you what it is before I turn it on because it gets a little noisy here. This at high flow delivers 158 CFM, which is usually more flow than is needed for the entire box. But some cases that may be exactly what you need. At low speed, it delivers about 80 CFM, 79, 80 CFM. That is not the high speed. So here you can get an idea of how much. I have to lift it off the table a bit. So you hear a little bit of noise. There's a little bit of wow that you get from the slight difference in fan speed. When you put it in the unit, usually the fans settle into a different speed because of the impedance delivered inside the box, so you lose that kind of wow effect. At high speed, the fan pulls, let's see, 0.77 CFM, and at low speed, or 0.77 amps, and at low speed pulls about 0.3 amps. Okay, I'm going to give you the effect here. As you move it closer to the table, you hear the fan speed go up and down. You get that same effect inside the box when you put it in between the fan trays. I think I mentioned, but in case I left it off, these we assemble them here in the shop. We buy fans in bulk, we buy everything in bulk, and then we assemble them here. So nothing comes in a pretty box. What you see is what you get, but we assure you that it's handled with care. Thanks for visiting. Come back again soon.